Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm excited to say that I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Tammy has dubbed us the Dream Team. I like that. And today we are taking, well, I'll show you in a minute. First, let me show you my new doll, Tenny. I want to show her off a little bit. This doll is an Icy. I just got her. Darren made her this little sparkly stand. I hope it's in the right light because it's a glitter filament that really looks good from the right angle. She is so cute. This is a little Icy doll, and I took her, you know, their hands come and they're like this. Oh yes, that's such a natural pose. And I put them in the, I shouldn't tell you how I warmed them. I warmed them up and I folded them back. This one kind of sprang back out, but kind of folded them down a little bit. I painted her nails. I made her this, oh, that's supposed to be down like this. I made her this skirt for some fabric that Alexandra's Dolly World had sent to me from Croatia. And then I took one of those fashion pack white shirts. I split those up the back and add Velcro. They're just so handy and fast, and then I just kind of wrap some ribbon around her, but because they're small busted, that's not staying so well. Just something different than a necklace. And then I added gold to her hair is what is just amazing. I just absolutely love this tinsel hair. That's how she got her name, Tinsy. Now let me show you what our collab is today and get her dressed. So we started with a fat quarter, and we're gonna call this a fat 16th. It's a quarter of a quarter. And people ask all the time, what pattern did you use? I use this pattern quite often, so much so that, let me show you one here. This is a free download on the internet, and all I know is it's called Inspired by Skippers All Spruced Up. I like this pattern so much that I actually have two cut out, and then I took this and I drew around it, and then I cut off here so that I could add a gathered skirt to it. But what I'm going to do for this is I am going to cut the main dress out of the green, and then the collar and the sleeves I'm going to cut out of the red. And then my plan is, I don't know if you're aware of this, Beth Ramsden has patterns on her site, on her website. I go there quite often. Some of them are free. Okay, I want to...
And the rest are quite inexpensive.
Yeah, right. They are. They're very inexpensive. You're right. Thank you for adding that. Okay, here it is. I want to make this little... I've made this before. This little apron for the Blythe doll. It's very simple, and I'm going to make it reversible. And I'm hoping to have enough fabric to do the little pocket on each one reversible too. So here's Tinsy in her new dress, and I put little gold shoes on her, and I left the silver and gold in her hair. I like that. I'm really pleased with how this little dress came out. I did do Velcro all the way up the back, kind of like that, quick and easy, off and on. And then I also made her, Tenny, what's in this pocket? What is that? Oh, chocolate bar. You know, Tenny.
Girl after my own heart.
Well, here's a candy cane in there too. I don't know how it fell out, but it did. And wait, what is this? Tinsy, that could be why you're kind of chubby. Why your face is a little chubby. I love these little aprons that Beth Ramsden has the pattern for. I really love these. Let me pull this up because it does take a minute over this outfit. And I did make the sleeves and the whole pattern just a little bit bigger all the way around because of the type of dress I'm doing it over. So here's Tinsy's little apron to match her dress that she can serve her guests in. And it's really cute. These little aprons just go right up. But since I had this dress, I did take my time to do it. But as you can see, I did do the little apron reversible. I really like that. Beth, I love this easy pattern that you have made. It is so cute. Like I said, I made this one a little bigger, so when you make this pattern, it'll fit just a little tighter, which is fantastic. And a real nice fit on the registered trademark Blythe. Just gorgeous. Here she is with her candy. I did do one other dress that I'm going to show tomorrow on another video out of this same print. But this is what I had left out of the fat quarter. This is all I had left. This is the only doll I made this far. But then remember, this has the red apron underneath. I thought that was quite wonderful. Today, I want to ask you to do a favor. When you go, or if you came from, go back to Tammy, Jay, and Beth's channel. Leave them holiday cheer. Yeah, we did them before, but let's just do it again. It's a fun collab. Leave an extra comment with holiday cheers somewhere in the in your second comment. Like every comment in the road. Like their videos, and for sure subscribe to their channels. It's just a nice way to do something for our doll community. Thank you so much, Beth, Tammy, and Jay. I always enjoy doing collabs with you, and this was a really fun one. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.